This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively using AI. Begin by exploring how AI personalizes your learning journey, adapting to your unique pace and style. Utilize AI to generate targeted practice questions, ensuring you grasp core concepts thoroughly. You can also leverage AI to summarize lengthy articles, saving valuable time and focusing on essential information. This approach makes studying more efficient and engaging. AI excels at creating a study plan just for you. It analyzes your performance, pinpointing exactly where you need more focus and offering tailored resources. Imagine quizzes that get harder or easier based on your answers, providing a truly dynamic learning experience. This personalized feedback loop helps you master subjects more effectively and build confidence in your knowledge. Struggling with a complex topic? AI can break it down into easily digestible explanations, making challenging material much clearer. It can also automatically generate flashcards and comprehensive study guides from your notes, saving you hours of preparation. Plus, receive immediate, constructive feedback on your essays or reports, helping you refine your writing skills quickly. Finally, AI helps you manage your study time like a pro. It identifies which subjects require more of your focus, ensuring you allocate your efforts wisely. You can even use AI to schedule study sessions at times when your brain is most receptive to learning, maximizing retention. With instant access to a wealth of information, AI truly transforms how you approach studying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.